Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Happy New Year, happy 2026. I hope you're having an amazing 2026 so far. I hope your January is off to a great start. I pray that 2026 is good to all of us and I wish all of us the best of 2026. Thank you guys so much for sticking around with me in 2025. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you to all my old and returning subscribers. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. Please do not go anywhere. Stick around. Let's continue to grow this little community together and I hope we have a great year together. All right, guys. I was really thinking of how to start the year, what video to film, and I was like, what better video would be than a bag review? If you are frequent on this channel, then you will know that we do a lot of bag reviews on this channel. But yeah, I love handbags. I cannot help it, and my mission is to find good, affordable handbags to share with you guys. I recently added a new handbag to my collection, which I'm really excited about. So yeah, without further ado, let's dive right straight into the video. Alright guys, if you are frequent on this channel, this is not going to be new to you. This is actually my second time purchasing from this brand and I love this brand so much. And I got this bag towards the end of last year, and apologies if I sound a little bit different. I think I'm coming down with something, but yeah. Anyway guys, so the brand that I went ahead and repurchased from is from this brand right here, Demellier, as you guys can tell. I have the Vancouver bag from them. I'm going to link that video here if you want to go check it out. I got it towards the end of 2024 and then I reviewed the bag for you guys at the beginning of 2025, and almost a year later I went back and repurchased something else from them. And the bag that I went ahead and got, can you guys guess? Is this one right here. You guys, oh my goodness, how stunning. Before I go ahead and show you guys the bag, just in case you have never purchased from Demellier before, when you buy from them, your item is going to come in a box like this, but it will also, this is going to be inside like a regular brown box, right? And then your bag is going to be in one of these black boxes here like that. Okay, that says Demellier. It comes packaged very well, and then inside that box is going to have this bag, and then you're going to also have a dust bag like this. Yeah, dust bag also says here Demellier. I love that they all come with dust bags. And then also inside it has this little card from them. It has a writing here on the back about the brand. I also have this one that says thank you for choosing Demellier, and it also has like other things written here: empowering women, ethically and sustainably made, and then a bag, a life. So they give back every time you buy a bag. They fund life-saving vaccines and medical treatment for children who are in need. So yeah, that's what Demellier is all about. It's a female-owned brand. Like I said, I've talked about this brand before on this channel, so I don't want to go into so much details about the brand. But yeah, if you want to go ahead and check out the very first bag I bought from them, where I gave a little bit more details on that. Their bags are handcrafted in Italy and in Spain, I believe, and all of that. You guys can find all that information in their website as well. But anyway, let's get into this bag because this is the reason why we are here. Okay, you guys, how stunning is this bag? So if you guys know me, you know I'm a neutral babe. I love wearing neutral colors. I have more neutral color purses than I have colored purses. When I wanted to add a new bag to my wardrobe, I was looking for a chocolate brown color. That was what I was searching for, and this is what this bag looks like up close and personal. This bag is called the Tokyo bag, like as in Tokyo, Japan. This color on their website is called the Espresso color. As you guys can tell, this bag is so dark, like it's such a dark brown. Of course, it's called espresso. This bag is patterned, and this pattern here is called the lizard effect pattern. This is at the front side of the bag, and if you're familiar with Demellier, they usually have this detailing here in front. Sometimes it's two depending on the bag, sometimes it's one. So this one is one. This is the side of the bag where you have the straps. As you guys can tell, there are more, like a couple more holes, like 1 2 3 4 here, where you can adjust the strap and make it longer. And this is the other side of the bag, and that is just the bottom of the bag. This is magnetic. It has this particular detail here as well, the one that this magnet onto. So yeah, it has a buckle detailing here where you can adjust the strap. It also has this extra strap thingy here that allows the strap to stay in place. So yeah, that is what that looks like, as you guys can tell. So you just tuck this strap in just so the straps is just not dangling around. And this is the handle of the bag right here. It has the little Demellier branding right there. Their branding is always very little. You almost would not see that. It's very small, very tiny, and I love that for them. And of course, the hardware is gold as well as this one. So to get into this bag, you would have to lift this pad here up like that, and then the bag opens up. I hope you guys can see the inside of the bag. It's also a very dark chocolate color, so it's really dark, so I don't know if you guys can see the inside. It's quite spacious. We are going to test and see what fits and what can't fit in here. So the bag is lined. I'm trying so hard to show you guys this, but it also has another compartment with a zipper here where you can store your stuff in there as well. Hopefully you guys can see that. So the only thing that holds this bag together is this arrow shaped lock right here, right? This is the only thing that keeps it in place. It doesn't have any zipper. So when I was trying to buy this bag, of course, like I always do, I go online and try to watch reviews from other people, which, by the way, for some reason there is not a lot of reviews on this bag. There are some shorts, but like a proper YouTube video where someone talks about this bag and really shows you the specifications and all of that, I didn't really find on YouTube, which is very surprising to me, being that there are lots of other reviews on other Demellier bags. I think I only found like maybe 2 or max 3 videos. I mean YouTube long form videos. I was like, okay, that's why I'm here. I'm going to take it upon myself to review the bag. So yeah, anyway, I was going to say that one of the things that people didn't really like about this bag was the fact that it did not have a zipper where you can zip to close the bag, so it's just open. And now that I'm looking at the bag, to be honest, I don't think there is need for a zipper, because like the opening of this bag is really small, and I feel like this clasp is good enough. It has the smaller one on the inside, which if you really need to put something that is maybe more important to you, like your bank card, I think you can put it in the smaller section of the bag here, which has a zipper that you can actually zip. It's not a problem to me, so I'm already aware of that, and I still went ahead to buy the bag, which is why it's always good to watch other people's reviews before going ahead to purchase anything. And besides, this is a small bag. I think that wasn't necessary. The bag is very sturdy, as expected, because like Demellier does good quality bags. I give it to them. Real leather, very, very sturdy. This bag is not flimsy in any way. If it looks shiny, trust and believe it's my lighting that is making it to look shiny. It's actually a matte chocolate brown color. So yeah, I am here for all of this. I absolutely love it. I just know it's going to be one of my favorites. So this is a shoulder bag, and that is how it sits. Of course, like I said, you can go ahead and adjust this part here if you want, because there's room for that. I love it, and for the price, the quality and everything that you get from Demellier, their prices are fair. Being that it's also real leather, I feel like it's fair. It's an initial review, okay? There's really not much I want to say about it because I haven't even worn this bag out yet. So let's go into the pricing very quickly, because I know my Canadian girlies love to know about pricing and shipping. So one thing I did want to mention is that this bag, Demellier usually brings out different colors. I think they have their staple colors, but they also do make seasonal colors as well. And I think this espresso is one of their seasonal colors, if I'm not mistaken. I think when I bought this, they had about 9 colors available on the website, but right now, looking at it, they only have 5 colors available. I will leave the direct link to this particular one if you're interested. So this bag also comes in different leather options as well. They have the lizard effect one, the smooth, and then the shearling. And the shearling, I think, is mainly for the winter season, right? So that one is definitely seasonal as well. Comes within 3 to 5 business days. I think they use DHL, so their shipping is really, really fast. You also do not have to pay customs. I talked about this in my very first Demellier bag review. there are no customs. Everything is included in whatever you pay on the website. We love that around here. Okay, when I purchased this bag, the price of this bag was $715. There was no sale going on, so I had to use a different email because I already have an account with them. I had to use another of my email to open a different account. That way I can get 10% off, because I like to get something off whenever I purchase something. I just hate to pay full price for anything. So I got 71.50 cents off. So I ended up paying $643. That is how much I paid for this beauty right here. So now I can start wearing my bag. Before I end the video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what fits in this bag, just in case you are in the market or you are considering getting the Tokyo. So let's try to see what we can fit in this bag together. The first thing, of course, is going to be my phone. Okay, we are going to put this in there. The next thing is going to be my little card holder. I usually carry this one out when I'm carrying small purses. I have my mirror, the little Chanel one. Fit that in there as well. I have my cuticle oil. I do not leave the house without this thing. I have my AirPods, another essential that I can't do without. Facial tissue. Depending on what lip I'm wearing that day, I'll always have like a gloss or something for the lips. So I'm just gonna throw this Road one in here, the lip gloss. Also have my hand cream. This is also an essential. The things that I'm putting in this bag right now are the things that I cannot leave my house without. Okay, that is why they are called essentials. I also like to carry my hand sanitizer. Okay, it fits. And the last couple of things that I would take with me is some kind of perfume. Okay, this one is just a random perfume sample. I always carry one of these, so I'm gonna throw it in there. And then I also sometimes, not all the time, would carry a pen with me. I don't know why I like carrying pens, but yeah. Only thing that is missing that I haven't put in here is my car key. And I have like a bulky keychain that has a lot of keys inside. So what I do is, if I'm carrying a small bag, I would usually just take off my car key and put it in my bag. So that is the only thing that's missing in here. But yeah, I'm not going out, so fit my essentials, and I can still fit in more without them falling out. I feel like I can still put something else. Yeah, that is it. It's pretty tight. As you can see, things are not falling out. I'll just put it on my shoulder like that. I love it, guys. I love it. If you've been having your eyes on this bag, I think it's a good time to get it. Like I said, there are other colors. You do not need to get this exact color. So if you are on the hunt for a new bag, this is your sign. Go to Demellier and treat yourself. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys like it. I need your help, guys. Let me know what videos you guys would love to see from me this year. I definitely will keep doing bag reviews. Please go ahead and follow me on my social media. I would leave all my details on the description box below. Follow me. That is where I get to style all these bags that I show you guys. You get to see me style them. So make sure you're following me. And if you're new, do not leave without subscribing. Please like this video. It's really going to help the algorithm to show it to more people. Let me know what you think by leaving me a comment below. Please don't leave without commenting and liking. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.